I gotta warm my bike up. Huh?
Here comes Tusk.
Yeah. It is nice out. Tomorrow's supposed to be 70. It's nice.
You guys have lighters?
Why do I have a lighter? So you start a fire?
I don't know if there's any matches.
There's a lighter on the table over there by where I paint stuff. There's a lighter over there. Get a helmet. Alright, we got Paul, we got Tav, we got Liam. We're ready to rip. So we got Paul on the XR70, we got Tav on the RV90, me on my bike, and Liam on his. We're good to go. Yo, he's zooming. You were moving pretty good. Paul's way back there. Huh?
My chest.
Why?
You know the big pothole?
Oh, you hit it?
Yeah.
Embarrassing! I was drifting down there when I was up by the Silver Bridge, bro. I was sliding pretty bad.
So, we gotta tell Paul he ain't going the hay.
Okay. Dude, your chain is loose.
What?
Holy.
Yeah, into the 70.
How's mine? Oh, mine's good. Mine's good. Mine's perfect.
Yeah, I think we gotta tighten my chain.
Mine's perfect.
You wanna tighten my chain when we go up?
Nah.
Why?
If only tighten it once it starts falling off.
Well, if it falls off and I'm going in 5th gear, I'm gonna eat shit.
Well then, maybe your dad should maintenance your bike. Yeah, he's zooming. Yo, pull the clutch. Oh, he does have it. Really?
The chain came off on the 70.
No way. That's the first time that's ever happened. Where is it?
Tab took it. It's going up in the shop.
Alright, let's go. Did you see me drifting down there by the bridge?
Oh, shit. So I was following you over in front of Liam's house and the chain just popped off when I went down in the front and it popped back up.
Really?
You need to get the brake adjusted on it.
You need to get the brake adjusted, the carb adjusted, the tire filled up.
Damn thing adjusted.
Yeah. Really haven't done anything to it yet.
While we're here, we came off the back wheel.
Yeah.
We need to tighten my chain too.
So are we messing with chains now?
Yeah. I guess so. Here's my back end.
I don't even know how to do Liam's, bro. Liam's is goofy compared to these ones. Alright. Ball break in the program.
Alright.
Yeah. Yo, that's sick, bro.
Looks versatile.
Kill it, kill it. Every time. Why are you here, Paul? That's not hard to fix. You just have to take it off. Take the side cover off. Damn it, though.
God damn it!
Every time.
Every fucking time.
Let me see if it.
And I told you I'm a bad luck charm.
Nah,
What size is it?
it's hard to do. I say just hop on your 70.
God damn it! It's always me, dude.
Every time. has one called the shitty carburetor.
Double flipped off Liam for fun.
The fact that you can hear it that clearly, and he's not even on it.
The fact that he fixed it.
It's a common problem whenever you have a high horsepower engine.
Slam that bitch!
It's so loud, dude.
Holy fuck.
Wheel falls off, goes in river or pond.
Like the flywheel.
Yeah. Alright.
As soon as you shut it off, we're gonna get going.
Yep. 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 Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, that's very me. Bro! Done tore me up. When you hit that with that bike, hit it on the left side. Because there's a tiny landing right there for it. He's gonna hit it way too fast. Yeah, nah, dude. It bottomed out. Hit it on the left, not the right. I said left. The right side bottoms it out.
I got my left ear.
Yeah. No problem, bro. Yeah, something happened. Chain came off. Looks like she's bound up. I don't think we're getting that one off easy.
Yeah, I think it did. Now what?
Dude, I heard it happen. It sounded violent when it died.
That's what the motor sounded like when it goes back.
Yeah. Yeah, because the valve ate the piston. Or the piston ate the valve.
The motor's still running. I look down and the chain's on top of it.
Bro, imagine you blew it up again.
Dude, I fucking cried.
At that point, I'd be done with that motor.
You guys should go get a dolly.
A dolly? I'll go get the tractor.
Yeah.
Tanner, this weekend, I think
Oh yeah, we can mess with the jump.
yeah,
Yeah, we should do that today.
let's make the landings.
We'll load it up in the diesel. Yeah, I'll do that. Later. Yeah, let me jack it, dude.
Oh, yeah.
This carburetor, it keeps flooding. Oh yeah, old son.
Oh yeah.
It don't move. You're good.
Wow.
Yeah, runs it over, doesn't even care. Yeah, you wanna hear this first kick?
Huh?
You wanna hear this first kick? My poor bike.
Huh?
I like how I say my poor bike after I beat the shit out of it, like it's the bike's fault. Get the bike out, bro. Just standing around, Liam.